Yo, just listen to that. I spy Subies. A couple of them too. Oh, that one got no hood. It must make big power though. I think I found him. Oh no, he's back. He's back for more. Whoa, what else we got? Whoa. Alrighty, you guys, we have made it to MNILLEST, and we got some cars here. Obviously, there's a lot of people picnicking here, so those lots are filled. We're only left with this baby lot over here, but let's just check out what's good. Let's start out here with the Mustangs. Ew, this is pretty cool. Older Mustang. Slick. Ah, we got them. We've seen this one before. Ooh. Secret content coming up. Fiesta. Focus. Oh boy, the Mustang though. Sheesh. Oh Lord, look at this. It's a Subaru. MA Performance though. What? This is not JM. Not a Subaru here. Yeah, Charger. Oh, let's walk back down this line. I see another Subaru. Let's go. Whoa. Hold on. Let's save it. Look at this. Alright, that's clean. A little dirty, but it's clean, I think. Got fender flares in the back, but not the front. Sheesh. I wonder if he's got them on the other side. Interesting setup. Interesting. Try to run them. Damn, I like it though. What is this? Like a Caprice or something? Shoot. I was saying this one's the fastest around here. Be interesting. Maybe get a run in. Got some headers though. That's 392s. Looks like we got another Charger. Man. BMW's hiding over there. He's hiding. Whee. Man, we got some Mustangs over there. Let's walk back down the side. Oh boy. Look at all these regular commuter cars. Oh no. What we got? We got a Civic. I don't know what else is good out here. Corvette. Oof. Jeez. Look at that. They touching. Alright, what else is good out here? What else? Whoa, a CT200? Yes. Volvo. This thing would beat a lot of people. Yes, it would. GTO. Oh, did I say GTO? G8. Well, we got a Civic. That's it though. This is all general parking. Sheesh, it's dead, man. It's dead. It's dead. Oh, man. We got a Civic. Alright. I like it. Look on the Civic over here. That's dope. That's pretty much it. Nothing else out here. That's it. Yo, what else is good out here? Jeez, it's completely dead. That's cool. Cool Lexus. I think we see them all the time. It is dead. Man, shoe is dead. Ain't doing nothing today, man. Nothing. I mean, they're pretty wild and lit over there, though. Bro, they're having too much fun over there. Way too much fun. It's lit over here, literally. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got a cop over there chilling. Don't catch them all. Yo, they're having a war out here. This is lit. I guess. BBs everywhere. It's pretty entertaining. I don't know how many BBs they got. Oh my gosh. Yes. Do some more tricks. Hi. Oh snap, we got more Subies. They're showing up, yes. Just my people. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Subies have come park next to the Mustang. This is sick. It's gonna be epic. Oh yeah, Subies. And more Subies. Got some NA guys finally showing up here. Got RSX, yeah, NSX Special. Yo, check out this Subie lineup though. See. I hear race car. I hear race car. Come this way. Look at this thing. Sheesh. It's another day, man. It's another day. I'm alive. Yeah. LRS. Yeah. Oh, who's making so much noise up here? That's pretty sick. Oh, it's a truck. Oh man, that thing's sick. Alright. Something different. Yo, another Subaru. Another Subaru. My zoom. Give me that zoom. Yo. Can't get enough of these Subarus. Oh, we got more Mopars coming in. 392 scat packs, I'm assuming, all day. I think we saw them yesterday. What is this? The Hellcat? 392. Yeah. Oh, Ramsey Sheriff. They're rolling in. Oh, snap. He got the Mopars. Got him on lock. What are you drinking? That water. Let me see the muscles. Let me see the muscles, boy. Jeez. Yo, there's a Nismo. Whoa, look at this Civic. I didn't see this one. This one's clean, though. Oh, we got the whole Scat Pack gang rolling up here. Oh, snap. There they are. There they are. Rolling in. Whole gang. You know what these guys are good for. Ooh-wee. No, I'm not gonna lie. I like Scat Pack. I like Mopars. I think they're a little too slow for the Mustang, but it's alright. I think they're taking over the Subies here. Look at this. Oh, snap. Team Mopar taking over the Subie meet. This is pretty comical. We got the Subarus on this side. There's a lot of Subarus on that side too. And then you got the Mopars on that side. Man, they different out here. Crazy. He's got a track hog. Doing all kinds of them. That's cool. Ooh, they're gonna start revving. Whoa. Yo, my man's in the GTI though. Woo. Check out this BMW. It looks like a complete sleeper, but it's 6062, guys. I'm trying to get him to run, but we'll see, I guess. And the Mustang brings all the boys to the yard. Jose wants a rerun with the real owner. Look at these clouds. I don't know. I think it's gonna rain, man. This cloud's looking crazy today.
I think it was
Me?
Alright, it's a little dark, but I think we gotta run, boys. Let's go. Alright, we lost them, so we're just gonna stay posted up here. We got the Mustang, we got the GTI. Trans Am's gonna be pulling up any second here.
Driving like a T-Bird. Let's go call it a T-Bird.
T-Bird. You gotta say TA, a Trans Am. Alright, I think they're finally here. Alright, he's ready.